Good day. Our topic for today is all about fundamentals of intellectual property code. What is intellectual property? Intellectual property refers to any creation of the human mind. Intellectual property is a legal term that refers to intangible creations of the human mind, such as inventions, designs, and artistic works. Intellectual property rights are legal protections that give creators exclusive rights to their work for a set of period of time, expressed in the original ideas, expressions, products, or processes. Purpose of intellectual property. First, to encourage and reward creative work. Second, to foster an environment where innovation and creativity can flourish. Third, to allow people to earn financial benefit or recognition from their creation. Types of intellectual property: patents, copyrights, trademarks, industrial designs, and trade secrets. Patent, an invention patent is a government-issued grant bestowing an exclusive right to an inventor over a product or process that provides any technical solution to a problem in any field of human activity, which is new, inventive, and industrially applicable. Patent, a legal right that gives an inventor the exclusive ability to make, use, or sell their invention for a set of period of time. In exchange, the inventor must fully disclose their invention. Benefits of patent. A patent is an exclusive right that allows the inventor to exclude others from making, using, or selling the product of his invention during the life of the patent. Patent owners may also give permission to or license other parties to use their inventions on mutually agreed terms. Owners may also sell their invention rights to someone else, who then becomes the new owner of the patent. How it works: inventors apply for a patent with a government agency or with the Intellectual Property Office. The agency reviews the application and grants the patent if it meets certain criteria. The patent gives the inventor exclusive rights to their invention for a set period of time. The inventor can sell the patent to another person or license it to others. What can be patented? The Intellectual Property Code of the Philippines set three conditions for an invention to be deemed patentable. It has to be new, involves an inventive step, and industrially applicable. How are these defined? In the Intellectual Property Code, an invention is not considered new if it already forms part of the domain of prior art. Prior art is explained in the Intellectual Property Code of the Philippines, Chapter 2, Section 24.2. An invention involves an inventive step if having regards to prior art. It is not obvious to a person skilled in the art at the time of the filing date or priority date of the application claiming the invention. An invention that can be produced and used in any industry is considered industrially applicable. Term of protection. The term of a patent shall be 20 years from the filing date of the application. The patent must be maintained yearly starting from the fifth year. Copyrights. Protection for literacy and artistic works such as books, music, films, and computer programs. Copyright is the legal protection extended to the owner of the rights in an original work. Original work refers to intellectual creation in the literacy, scientific, and artistic domain. Among the literary and artistic works enumerated in the Intellectual Property Code are books and other writings, musical works, films, and photographic works, ornamental designs or model of manufacture, paintings, sculptures, and other work of arts. as well computer programs and mobile application. The Intellectual Property Code grants authors, artists, and other creators automatic protection for their literacy and artistic creations from the moment they create it. Registration and deposit of the works is not necessary, but authors and artists may opt to file for the copyright registrations of their work with Intellectual Property Office of the Philippines for the issuance of the appropriate certificate of copyright registration. Copyright transfers and assignments, as well as exclusive license and mortgage agreements, may be registered with the Intellectual Property Office of the Philippines. Copyright registrations and notice of copyright transfers, assignments are posted online in the Intellectual Property Office of the Philippines website. Copyrights benefits. The creators of works protected by copyright hold the exclusive right to use or authorize others to use the work on agreed terms. The right holder or holders of a work can authorize or prohibit its reproduction in all forms, including print form and sound recording, public performance and communication to the public, broadcasting, translation into other languages, and adaptations such as from a novel to a screenplay or a film. Term of protection. The term of protection for copyright is literary and artistic work, and in derivative works is generally the lifetime of the author plus 50 years. However, different rules may apply in work of joint authors, work of anonymous or pseudonymous works, photographic works, work of applied art, audiovisual works. Trademarks. Trademarks are words, symbols, logos, or groups of words that distinguish a business, goods, or services. A trademark is a word, symbol, or design that identifies a product or service and distinguishes it from competitors. Trademarks are a type of intellectual property that can help protect a business, brand, and prevent others from using the same mark. The trademark is a word, a group of words, sign, symbol, logo, or a combination thereof that identifies and differentiates the source of the goods or services of one entity from those of others. If you're a business, distinguishing your goods or services from others give you a competitive edge. Learn more about trademarks, how to apply for protections, and how to manage them. What trademarks can protect? First, brand identity. Trademarks can protect a business brand name, logo, or slogan. Second, products and services. Trademarks can identify the source of a product or service. Third, quality. Trademarks can indicate the quality of a product or service. Fourth, packaging. Trademarks can protect the design of the product's packaging. A trademark protects a business brand identity in the marketplace. Registrations of it gives the owner the exclusive rights to prevent others from using or exploiting the mark in any way. Aside from being a source identifier, differentiator, quality indicator, and an advertising device, a protective mark may also bring another stream of income to the owner through licensing or franchising. How are trademarks used? Distinguish products. Trademarks help consumers differentiate products in the marketplace. Prevent counterfeiting. Trademarks can help prevent counterfeiting and fraud. Last, trademarks can be used as advertising devices to promote products and services. A trademark can be protected in perpetuity if regularly monitored and properly maintained. The period of protection is 10 years from the date of registration and is renewable for a period of 10 years at the time. Industrial designs. Industrial designs three-dimensional or two-dimensional features of a product such as its shape, color, or pattern. Industrial design, intellectual property, is the legal protection of a product's ornamental features such as its shape, color, or pattern. It's a way to prevent others from copying or selling your product without your permission. What is protected? The three-dimensional shape of the object, the color used in the product's design, the lines, patterns, or colors used in the product's design. What can be protected under industrial designs? Handicrafts, jewelry, mobile phones, packaging materials, furniture, electrical appliances, accessories, boxes, and architectural structure. How to protect industrial designs? First, file an application with the Philippine Intellectual Property Office. Second, pay the filing fees. And third, submit the required documents. What are the required documents under industrial designs? First, filing letter. Second, request for registration. Third, specification, claims, and formal drawings. Fourth, special power of attorney. And last, certified copy of the foreign applications and English translation. What are the benefits under industrial designs? The owner of the registered industrial design has the right to prevent third parties from making, selling, or importing articles bearing or embodying a design which is a copy or substantially a copy of the protected design when such acts are undertaken for commercial purposes. Eligibility. In order to be registrable, an industrial design must be a new or original creation. The following industrial designs shall not be registrable. First, industrial designs that are dictated essentially by technical or functional consideration to obtain a technical result. Second, industrial designs which are mere schemes of surface ornamentations existing separately from the industrial product or handicrafts. And last, industrial designs which are contrary to public order, health, or moral. Term of protection. The registration for an industrial design is for a period of 5 years from the filing date of the application. The registrations of an industrial design may be renewed for not more than two consecutive periods of 5 years, each by paying paying renewal fee. The fee should be paid within a year of the expiration of the registration. Thank you.